Sports are one of the most happening thrills of life. Sports are something that teaches a human many qualities like dedication, leadership, discipline, and much more. It is a well-known fact that any form of physical exercise is good, not only for one's body but their spirit as well. Playing a sport is a winning competition both figuratively and literally, and that is why we lay special focus on awakening the sports talent of the students. A warm and good day to one and all present here. I, Sadhika Harmain from Bansanga RNS Vidyaniketan, 2nd PU Science Stream, am grateful to the management, our principal, our vice principal, and not to forget our physical educational teachers for having given me this special opportunity to anchor the National Sports Day on this virtual platform. I heartily welcome my respected principal and all my respected lecturers, all the parents, and my dear friends. I feel proud to be a part of such an elite institution where we are taught by our great lecturers whose teachings go beyond the classroom. Today, we are on this virtual platform for celebration of National Sports Day, the day which marks the birthday of Major Dhyan Chand Singh, the hockey player who won gold medals in Olympics for India. I would warmly invite Manasvi M. Shetty from 2nd PU Commerce Stream, who has an excellence in roll call and athletics, to welcome the gathering.
You can't let the highs make you feel overconfident, nor can you let the lows be a reason to dampen your spirits, said Saina Nehwal, an Indian badminton player who won bronze medal in the 2012 Olympic Games. A cheerful day to one and all. I wish you all a very happy National Sports Day. This day marks the birth anniversary of the great hockey legend Major Dhyan Chand, the hockey wizard who had the world on his stick with 3 Olympic gold medals in the year 1928, 1932 and 1936 and is regarded as one of the greatest in the history of sports. On this 75th year of independence, our Indian athletes have made India proud by bringing 7 medals. Neeraj Chopra is the first track and field athlete to win gold medals for India at Olympics. We congratulate all the participants of the 2020 Tokyo Olympics to give their best and making the country proud. This is Manasvi M. Shetty of 2nd PU Commerce Stream here to address the gathering. It gives me a great pleasure to welcome the Chief Guest Shri Prashant Rai Kaikar. Sir is an Indian Kabaddi player who debuted in the Pro Kabaddi and is known for his profession. We welcome you, sir. I am very much delighted to welcome our another chief guest, Ms. Pavitra Chandra. Ma'am is a former international basketball player, recipient of Ekalavya and Kempe Gowda awardee, founder of B7 Sports Management. We welcome you, ma'am. It gives me an immense pleasure to welcome Shri Upendra Shetty, Chairman and President of Bansanga Bangalore. Sir is a true educationalist who accepts challenges. We welcome you, sir. I take this hour to welcome Shri Madhukar Shetty, Convener, Honorary Secretary of Bansanga Bangalore. Sir is a true leader who believes in teamwork. We welcome you, sir. I cordially invite Shri Deepak Shetty, Treasurer of Bansanga Bangalore, who is always cheerful and welcome to any changes required by time. We welcome you, sir. I would like to welcome the Governing Council, Executive Committee members and members of Bansanga Bangalore to this program. I am honored to welcome the Principal of our institution, Shri Yesudas L, who guide us in all our ventures. We welcome you, sir. It's my pleasure to welcome all the parents to this auspicious occasion. A warm welcome to our Vice Principal, Srimati Anju Nayak, who has been a supportive guide in all our co-curricular activities. We welcome you, ma'am. A hearty welcome to our headmistress of ICC stream and CBSE stream. I am glad to welcome the coordinators of high school and pre-primary. I would like to welcome the accounts manager, admin manager, senior marketing manager, parents relation officer, HODs of school and college section, teachers, admin staff, students and supporting staff to this auspicious occasion. I am grateful to welcome the physical education department of our institution who never failed to bring sportive behavior and personal development in a student's life. Hard work, willpower and dedication. For a person with these qualities, sky is the limit, said Milkha Singh, the flying Sikh of India. Thank you. Have a great day ahead.
Thank you, Manasvi. Now we have our chief guests who have arrived at the virtual gates as a part of National Sports Day. I, Sadika, apart from anchoring, will be introducing the chief guests for this special day, and I am proud to introduce them. The stars have dawned on us on this momentous day. It gives me immense pleasure to introduce our chief guest, Indian Kabaddi player and more familiar name in Pro Kabaddi, who is none other than Shri Prashant Rai Kaikara. Sir was born in Kaikara, Puttur Taluk, Mangalore district in the year 1984 and finished his schooling in Kaikara. Right from school days, Sir was attracted towards Kabaddi and took it as his passion, and the journey continued for his college days as well. Sir completed his PUC and degree from St. Philomena College, Puttur, and represented Mangalore University 4 times. Sir has served the police department till 2007 and is currently working as manager in Vijaya Bank, which is now Bank of Baroda, Bangalore. Here is the list of achievements of Shri Prashant Rai Kaikara. Sir has represented Telugu Titan franchise in Pro Kabaddi League in Season 3 and secured many individual awards. He has represented Dabang Delhi franchise in Pro Kabaddi Season 4. Sir has represented Haryana Steelers in Pro Kabaddi Season 5 and Season 7. He has represented Up Yodha in Pro Kabaddi Season 6. He has also won many national Kabaddi championships as captain of Vijaya Bank team. He has secured silver medal in national games held at Kerala 2015. Sir has participated in departmental national Kabaddi championships from 2009 to 2019. He has represented Karnataka state in senior national Kabaddi championships from 2012 to 2019. Sir has secured silver medal in 4th Federation Cup tournament held at Mumbai in 2017. There is a famous saying that the mind is the limit. As long as the mind can envision the fact that you can do something, you can do it. As long as you really believe in 100%. The multifaceted personality who is amongst us, Miss Pavitra Chandra, personifies the above thought. Ma'am is a former international basketball player, recipient of Ekalavya and Kempe Gowda Awards, and is also the founder of B7 Sports Management. Ma'am has played basketball at various levels throughout her illustrious career, representing her school, college, and university teams, even representing India at international levels. Ma'am is the first international women's basketball player from Karnataka to be a FIBA Level 2 certified coach. She has captained the Karnataka state basketball team at the Junior National Championship. Ma'am has also played cricket for Karnataka state team in all the categories and also adjudged the Best Batswoman Award at Sub-Junior South Zone Nationals. It's indeed my privilege to let you know Ma'am's outstanding achievements. She has been awarded with prestigious and highest state honor, the Ekalavya Award and the Kempe Gowda Award. Kalburgi Kampu has awarded Ma'am with the Honorable Vikas Preraka Prashasti for being a youth inspiration for development. Ma'am is an epitome both in academics and sports. After her initial schooling, she completed her graduation in economics and pursued her master's in marketing and human resources. Being an ardent sport lover and believer of sports, it was but natural for her to choose sports as her profession.
Ma'am is currently the founder of B7 Sports, a sport management entity in Bangalore that handles professional sports and has delivered many successful projects till date, apart from running successful basketball academy for children and women. It was indeed a pleasure in introducing our chief guests as a part of National Sports Day.
Now, I would warmly invite Anirudh P. Shetty from 2nd PU Science Stream, who has an excellence in cricket and shuttle, to express his relevance on this auspicious occasion of Sports Day by delivering his Kannada speech.
ಎಲ್ಲರಿಗೂ ನಮಸ್ಕಾರ. ನಾವು ಪ್ರತಿ ವರ್ಷ ಆಗಸ್ಟ್ 29ರಂದು ರಾಷ್ಟ್ರೀಯ ಕ್ರೀಡಾ ದಿನಾಚರಣೆಯನ್ನು ಆಚರಿಸುತ್ತೇವೆ. ಖ್ಯಾತ ಹಾಕಿ ಆಟಗಾರ ಮೇಜರ್ ಧ್ಯಾನ್ಚಂದ್ ಸಿಂಗ್ ಅವರ ಹುಟ್ಟುಹಬ್ಬದ ಅಂಗವಾಗಿ ಈ ದಿನಾಚರಣೆಯನ್ನು ಹಮ್ಮಿಕೊಳ್ಳಲಾಗುತ್ತಿದೆ. ಈ ನಿಟ್ಟಿನಲ್ಲಿ ಇವತ್ತಿನ ದಿನದ ಮಹತ್ವವನ್ನು ಕುರಿತು ಒಂದೆರಡು ಮಾತುಗಳನ್ನು ಆಡಲು ಇಚ್ಛಿಸುತ್ತೇನೆ. ಕ್ರೀಡೆ ಶಿಕ್ಷಣದ ಅವಿಭಾಜ್ಯ ಅಂಗವಾಗಿದೆ. ಕ್ರೀಡೆ ಇಲ್ಲದ ಶಿಕ್ಷಣ ಅಪೂರ್ಣವೆಂದರೆ ತಪ್ಪಾಗಲಾರದು. ಇದು ನಮ್ಮನ್ನು ಆರೋಗ್ಯಕರವಾಗಿ ಯೋಗ್ಯಕರವಾಗಿರಿಸುತ್ತದೆ. ಇದರಿಂದ ನಮ್ಮ ದೈನಂದಿನ ಜೀವನದ ಏಕತಾನತೆಯ ಬದಲಾವಣೆಯಾಗುತ್ತದೆ. ಕ್ರೀಡೆ ಮನರಂಜನೆ ಮತ್ತು ದೈಹಿಕ ಮಾನಸಿಕ ಚಟುವಟಿಕೆಯ ಉಪಯುಕ್ತ ವಿಧಾನವಾಗಿದೆ. ಕ್ರೀಡೆಗಳ ಇತಿಹಾಸವನ್ನು ಮೆಲುಕು ಹಾಕುವುದಾದರೆ ಅವುಗಳ ಅಸ್ತಿತ್ವವನ್ನು ಹರಪ್ಪ ನಾಗರಿಕತೆಯಷ್ಟು ಪ್ರಾಚೀನ ಕಾಲದಿಂದಲೂ ಗುರುತಿಸಬಹುದು. ಆಗಿನ ಕಾಲದ ಕ್ರೀಡೆಯ ಬಗ್ಗೆ ಹೇಳುವುದಾದರೆ ಬೇಟೆಯಾಡಲು ಬಳಸುತ್ತಿದ್ದ ಆಯುಧಗಳನ್ನು ಬಳಸುವ ಕೌಶಲ್ಯವನ್ನು ಪರೀಕ್ಷಿಸುವ ಸ್ಪರ್ಧೆ ನಡೆಯುತ್ತಿದ್ದವು. ಕ್ರೀಡೆಯನ್ನು ವೃತ್ತಿಯೆಂದು ಮಾಡಿಕೊಂಡಿರುವ ಹಾಗೂ ಅದರಲ್ಲೇ ಹೆಸರುವಾಸಿಯಾಗಿರುವ ಬಹಳಷ್ಟು ಮಂದಿ ಇದ್ದಾರೆ. ಕ್ರಿಕೆಟ್ ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಸಚಿನ್ ತೆಂಡೂಲ್ಕರ್, ಬ್ಯಾಡ್ಮಿಂಟನ್ ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಸೈನಾ ನೆಹವಾಲ್, ಟೆನ್ನಿಸ್ ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಸಾನಿಯಾ ಮಿರ್ಜಾ, ಬಾಕ್ಸಿಂಗ್ ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಮ್ಯಾರಿ ಕಾಮ್, ಅಥ್ಲೆಟಿಕ್ಸ್ ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಪಿಟಿ ಉಷಾ, ಹಾಕಿಯಲ್ಲಿ ಮೇಜರ್ ಧ್ಯಾನ್ ಚಂದ್ ಸಿಂಗ್. ಈ ರೀತಿ ಹಲವಾರು ಕ್ರೀಡಾಪಟುಗಳು ಹೆಸರುವಾಸಿಯಾಗಿ ನಮ್ಮ ದೇಶಕ್ಕೆ ಕೀರ್ತಿಯನ್ನು ತಂದುಕೊಟ್ಟಿದ್ದಾರೆ. ಇತ್ತೀಚೆಗೆ ಟೋಕಿಯೋದಲ್ಲಿ ನಡೆದ ಪ್ರಪಂಚದ ಪ್ರತಿಷ್ಠಿತ ಕ್ರೀಡಾಕೂಟದಲ್ಲಿ ಸುಮಾರು 200ಕ್ಕೂ ಹೆಚ್ಚು ದೇಶಗಳು ಭಾಗವಹಿಸಿತು. ಭಾರತವು ತನ್ನ ಇತಿಹಾಸದಲ್ಲಿ ಅತಿ ಹೆಚ್ಚು ಪದಕಗಳನ್ನು ಮೊಟ್ಟ ಮೊದಲನೆಯ ಬಾರಿಗೆ ಬಾಚಿಕೊಂಡಿದೆ. ಜಾವ್ಲಿನ್ ಎಸೆತದಲ್ಲಿ ನೀರಜ್ ಚೋಪ್ರಾ ಚಿನ್ನದ ಪದಕ, ವೇಟ್ ಲಿಫ್ಟಿಂಗ್ ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಮೀರಾಬಾಯಿ ಚಾನು ಬೆಳ್ಳಿಯ ಪದಕ, ಕುಸ್ತಿಯಲ್ಲಿ ರವಿ ವಹಿಯವರಿಗೆ ಬೆಳ್ಳಿಯ ಪದಕ ಹಾಗೂ ಬಜರಂಗ್ ಪುನಿಯವರಿಗೆ ಕಂಚಿನ ಪದಕ, ಬಾಕ್ಸಿಂಗ್ ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಲೋಬಲೀನಾರವರಿಗೆ ಕಂಚಿನ ಪದಕ. ಭಾರತದ ಪುರುಷರು ಹಾಕಿ ತಂಡ 41 ವರ್ಷದ ನಂತರ ಕಂಚಿನ ಪದಕವನ್ನು ಗೆದ್ದಿದ್ದಾರೆ. ಈ ಕ್ರೀಡಾಕೂಟದಲ್ಲಿ ಭಾಗವಹಿಸಿ ಅದ್ಭುತ ಸಾಧನೆ ಮಾಡಿರುವ ಎಲ್ಲಾ ಕ್ರೀಡಾಪಟುಗಳಿಗೆ ನಿಮ್ಮೆಲ್ಲರ ಪರವಾಗಿ ಅಭಿನಂದನೆಯನ್ನು ಸಲ್ಲಿಸುತ್ತೇನೆ. ಹಾಗಾಗಿ ಕ್ರೀಡೆ ದೈಹಿಕ ಚಟುವಟಿಕೆಗಳಿಗೆ ಮಾತ್ರ ಸೀಮಿತವಾಗಿರದೆ ಮಾನಸಿಕ ದೃಢತೆಯನ್ನು ಕಾಪಾಡುವಲ್ಲಿ ಸಹಕರಿಸುತ್ತದೆ. ಮನರಂಜನೆಯ ಜೊತೆಗೆ ನಮ್ಮ ಅಭಿವೃದ್ಧಿಗೂ ಸಹಕಾರಿಯಾಗಿದೆ. ಭರವಸೆ ಮತ್ತು ಹತಾಶೆಯ ಮಧ್ಯೆ ಮಾನಸಿಕ ಸಮತೋಲನವನ್ನು ಕಾಪಾಡುವುದು ಹೇಗೆ ಎಂಬುದನ್ನು ಕಲಿಸುತ್ತದೆ. ಇಂದಿನ ದಿನಗಳಲ್ಲಿ ಕ್ರೀಡೆಗಳು ಶೈಕ್ಷಣಿಕ ಪಠ್ಯಕ್ರಮದ ಒಂದು ಭಾಗವಾಗಿದ್ದು, ವಿಶೇಷವಾಗಿ ಯುವಜನತೆಯ ಜವಾಬ್ದಾರಿಯ ರಚನೆಯಲ್ಲಿ ಅವುಗಳ ಕೊಡುಗೆ ಅಪಾರ. ಕ್ರೀಡೆ ಉತ್ತಮ ಮೌಲ್ಯಗಳನ್ನು ತಿಳಿಸುತ್ತದೆ. ಹಾಗಾಗಿ ವಿದ್ಯಾರ್ಥಿ ಜೀವನದಲ್ಲಿ ಕ್ರೀಡೆ ಹೆಚ್ಚಿನ ಮಹತ್ವವನ್ನು ನೀಡುವುದು ಅತ್ಯಗತ್ಯ. ಬಂಟರ ಸಂಘ RNS ವಿದ್ಯಾನಿಕೇತನದ ಸಂಸ್ಥೆಯಲ್ಲಿ ಕ್ರೀಡೆಯ ಬಗ್ಗೆ ಅಭಿರುಚಿ ಬೆಳೆಸುವ ವಾತಾವರಣವಿದ್ದು, ನಮ್ಮ ಸಂಸ್ಥೆಯಲ್ಲಿನ ದೈಹಿಕ ಶಿಕ್ಷಕರು ಕ್ರೀಡಾಪಟುಗಳಿಗೆ ಸತತವಾಗಿ ತರಬೇತಿಯನ್ನು ನೀಡಿ ಅಂತಹ ವಿದ್ಯಾರ್ಥಿಗಳನ್ನು ಗುರುತಿಸಿ ತಾಲೂಕು, ಜಿಲ್ಲಾ, ರಾಷ್ಟ್ರೀಯ ಮಟ್ಟ, ಅಂತಾರಾಷ್ಟ್ರೀಯ ಮಟ್ಟದ ನಾನಾ ಸ್ಪರ್ಧೆಯಲ್ಲಿ ಭಾಗವಹಿಸಿ ಸಂಸ್ಥೆಯ ಕೀರ್ತಿ ಪತಾಕೆಯನ್ನು ಉತ್ತುಂಗ ಶ್ರೇಣಿಗೆ ಕೊಂಡೊಯ್ಯುವುದರಲ್ಲಿ ಯಶಸ್ವಿಗೊಂಡಿದೆ. ಇದಕ್ಕೆ ಪೂರಕವಾಗಿ ಬಂಟರ ಸಂಘ RNS ಸಂಯುಕ್ತ ಪದವಿ ಪೂರ್ವ ಕಾಲೇಜಿನ ಆಡಳಿತ ಮಂಡಳಿಯವರು ಕ್ರೀಡಾ ಕ್ಷೇತ್ರದಲ್ಲಿ ವಿಶಿಷ್ಟ ಸಾಧನೆ ಮಾಡಿರುವ ಹಾಗೂ ಮಾಡಲು ಇಚ್ಛಿಸುವ ಕ್ರೀಡಾಪಟುಗಳಿಗೆ ಉತ್ತಮ ಅವಕಾಶ, ತರಬೇತಿ, ಕ್ರೀಡಾ ಸಾಧಕರಿಗೆ ಶುಲ್ಕ ರಿಯಾಯಿತಿಯನ್ನು ನೀಡಿ ಪ್ರೋತ್ಸಾಹ ಮಾಡಿರುವುದು ಶ್ಲಾಘನೀಯ. ಕೊನೆಯಲ್ಲಿ ನಾನು ಹೇಳಲು ಇಚ್ಛಿಸುವುದೇನೆಂದರೆ, ಪ್ರತಿಯೊಬ್ಬ ಪೋಷಕರು ತಮ್ಮ ಮಕ್ಕಳನ್ನು ಅವರ ಮೆಚ್ಚುಗೆಯ ಕ್ರೀಡೆಯಲ್ಲಿ ತೊಡಗಿಸಿಕೊಳ್ಳುವಂತೆ ಪ್ರೋತ್ಸಾಹಿಸಬೇಕು. ಇದು ವಿದ್ಯಾರ್ಥಿಗಳ ಸರ್ವತೋಮುಖ ಅಭಿವೃದ್ಧಿಗೆ ಸಹಕಾರಿಯಾಗುತ್ತದೆ. ಮಾತ್ರವಲ್ಲದೆ ಆರೋಗ್ಯಯುತ ದೇಹ ಹಾಗೂ ಮನಸ್ಸನ್ನು ಕಾಪಾಡಿಕೊಳ್ಳುವಲ್ಲಿ ಕ್ರೀಡೆಯ ಪಾತ್ರ ಶ್ರೇಷ್ಠ ಎಂದು ಹೇಳುತ್ತಾ ನನ್ನ ಮಾತನ್ನು ಮುಗಿಸುತ್ತೇನೆ. ಧನ್ಯವಾದಗಳು.
Thank you, Anirudh, for your special words. Now, I would warmly welcome Disha Alige from 10th A, who has represented Karnataka Sub-Junior various national schools and open athletic meets and bagged so many gold medals in 400-meter race to deliver her English speech on this auspicious occasion.
Success is where preparation and opportunity meet. Warm greetings to all. This is Disha Alige, student of class 10 studying in Bansanga RNS Vidyaniketan. Wish you all a very happy National Sports Day. National Sports Day is celebrated on the 29th of August every year on the birth anniversary of hockey legend Major Dhyan Chand, who is regarded as the nation's greatest hockey player of all time. This day is observed to spread awareness on the importance of sports. Sports is very essential for every human being. It not only keeps us physically fit and healthy, but also helps us in becoming mentally stronger and teaches us discipline. Over the past decade, we have seen massive improvement in various sports in India. The government has also been taking several steps to improve sports facilities in the country. In order to encourage young talents, the government is providing them with scholarships and awarding athletes who have won at the international level. Some of the most prestigious sports awards are the Dhyan Chand Award, Arjuna Award, Bharat Ratna Award and Dronacharya Award. It takes years of hard work, determination and many sacrifices to become a great athlete. In the recently held 2020 Tokyo Olympics, we have seen the success of 7 great sportsmen who have got glory to our country. Neeraj Chopra won a gold medal in the javelin throw event in athletics. He made history by becoming the first ever Indian to win a gold medal in athletics, and it was a very proud moment for all of us. Ravi Kumar Dahiya won a silver medal in the men's 57 kg wrestling. Mirabai Chanu won a silver medal in the women's 49 kg weightlifting. PV Sindhu won a bronze medal in the women's singles badminton. Lavlina Borgohain won a bronze medal in the women's welterweight boxing. Bajrang Punia won a bronze medal in the men's 65 kg wrestling. The Indian men's hockey team also won a bronze medal after 41 long years. We also witnessed several other outstanding performances by the women's hockey team, Deepak Punya, Aditi Ashok. All these medals could not have been won without the hard work of each of the athlete, their coaches and the support of their families and the government. The Bansanga Bangalore has played a key role in the promotion of sports in our school. Every student is nurtured with wide opportunity to explore the deeper insights and excel in the field of sports. The Bansanga Bangalore has been a huge source of inspiration to all, whether emotionally or financially. My school, Bansanga RNS Vidyaniketan, has also been providing immense support and encouragement to all the students to actively participate in sports events. They are providing a lot of help and support in all means to the sports players of our school. Even in academics, we have been provided with abundant support. Our management, principal, vice principal and teachers have gone an extra mile by conducting special classes and helping us out so that we are at par with other students. Over the years, our school has been successful and gained accolades in various sports events. This could not have been achieved without the support of Bansanga Bangalore. On this event of National Sports Day, I would like to encourage each of you to at least pursue one sport as a passion. We all have many hidden talents in us which we can discover through sports, and hopefully in the upcoming 2024 Paris Olympics, we see the success of many more athletes. I would like to end my speech by citing a quote said by Dan Gabel. Gold medals aren't really made of gold. They're made of sweat, determination, and a hard-to-find alloy called guts. Thank you.
Thank you, Disha, for your special words. Now, I would heartily welcome Deepti J from 2nd PU Science Stream to introduce us about the various teams of school and college, and also to brief us about the achievements for the academic year 2021.
A pleasant day to everyone.
I am DPJ from 2nd PU Science Stream. Today we are here to celebrate National Sports Day in a virtual platform. On this occasion, I am going to introduce our college and school sports teams. Firstly, our college sports achievements for the year 2021. Boys team, district level netball winners. Boys and girls, district level yoga winners. Pawan, state level taekwondo gold medalist. Kiran Kumar, district level walk race gold medalist. Shujal Shetty, national level karate gold medalist. Boys district level badminton team. Boys district level table tennis team. Now the college achievers for the year 2019-20. Boys state level netball runners. Girls district level netball winners. The college various teams for the year 2019-20. Boys badminton team. Girls badminton team. Boys throwball team. Girls throwball team. Boys volleyball team. Girls volleyball team. Now the state and national achievers for the year 2020-21. Pavna Nagraj, student of 10th standard, 2020-21 batch. She is the golden girl of RNS Vidyaniketan family. She had bagged many school and open state and national level medals in high jump and long jump. We are proud to say that she is the daughter of Srimati Sahana Nagraj, the Olympian and Indian national level record holder in high jump. Followed by Disha Alige of 10th standard, the successor of Pavana Nagraj. She is the student. Followed by Disha Alige of 10th standard, the successor of Pavana Nagraj. She had represented Karnataka sub-junior various national schools and open athletic meet. She had won gold medal in 400-meter race. Akshaya of 9th standard. She is a walker who got gold medal in state level 3-kilometer walk race. Tanush of 10th standard, national level cricket player. Dhanush of 9th standard, national level swimmer. Hitaichi of 9th standard, swimmer and national level medalist. Nimisha Ambika, national level chess player. Pujit Raj of 7th standard, national level swimmer. Kruti of 8th standard, state level swimmer. This is our girls' national level yoga team. State and national awards under 14 girls athletic team. We are proud to say that our school sub-junior athletic team has awarded runner-up trophy with cash of ₹1 lakh in the national level athletic meet organized by Reliance Foundation Youth Sports in the year 2019-20, which was held at Pune. School various teams. girls athletic team, girls volleyball team, girls throwball team, girls badminton team, swimming team, karate team, under 14 cricket team, under 14 cricket team, under 17 cricket team, chess team, boys athletic team, boys volleyball under 17 team, boys badminton team, girls yoga team, boys yoga team, our school band team. Volleyball girls second runner-up in open tournament. Girls and boys chess team open tournament under 12. Volleyball boys team runner-up of open tournament. Chess class at our school. Now I am going to introduce the Department of Physical Education. Mr. Suresh Nayak, MPH, MPhil, College Physical Education Instructor, Bangalore University Kabaddi player, Intercollegiate Kho-Kho player, MPH in Bangalore University, MPH specialization in Kabaddi, MPhil in Annamalai University, Tamil Nadu, MPCT certificate holder, volleyball player in Bangalore University. Mr. Ravi Shetty, MPH, HOD of Physical Education Department, National Level Kabaddi player, Qualified National Referee for Kabaddi, Qualified State Referee for Volleyball, School Cricket Team in charge, School Athletic Team in charge, School Kabaddi Team in charge, School Fitness Camp in charge. Siddhalingamurthy S, BA, BPH, Badminton Team, Badminton player in University level, handling School Badminton Team, Scouts Master of Bharat Scouts and Guides RNS unit. Mr. Irana R, BA, BPH, Inter-College Cross Country Silver Medalist, specialization in Kho-Kho, Yoga Instructor, School Bandmaster, Physical Education Instructor. Mrs. Kavya K, PUC, CPEd, Physical Education Instructor, handling primary classes, handling school throwball team and Kho-Kho team, specialization in Kho-Kho. Yoga Instructor, Lady Cub Master for Bharat Scouts and Guides RNS unit. Mrs. Ashwini S, BPEd, BA, Physical Education Instructor, Inter-University Handball player, Inter-University Softball player, Inter-University Kho-Kho player, National Level Handball Bronze Medalist, handling School Throwball team, Guide Captain, Bharat Scouts and Guides RNS unit. Umesh Shetty Sir, BA, BPEd and MPEd, Physical Education Instructor, Inter-University Volleyball Team Captain, Inter-University Kabaddi player, Inter-School Kho-Kho player, handling school boys and girls, under 17 and under 14 volleyball team, successfully completed state level athletic officiating exam, NSS leader. Thank you.
Thank you, Deepthi, for your efforts. Now, it's time when we have inspiring and solacing words by our chief guest, Shri Prashant Rai Sir, who is an Indian pro kabaddi player.
ವೇದಿಕೆಯಲ್ಲಿರುವ ಎಲ್ಲ ಗಣ್ಯರೇ, ಶಿಕ್ಷಕ ವರ್ಗ, ವಿದ್ಯಾರ್ಥಿಗಳು ಮತ್ತು ಕಾರ್ಯಕ್ರಮದಲ್ಲಿ ಉಪಸ್ಥಿತರುವ ಎಲ್ಲರಿಗೂ ನಮಸ್ಕಾರ. ಇಂದು ನಾವು ರಾಷ್ಟ್ರೀಯ ಕ್ರೀಡಾ ದಿನವನ್ನು ಆಚರಿಸಲು ವರ್ಚುವಲ್ ಪ್ಲಾಟ್ಫಾರ್ಮ್ನಲ್ಲಿ ಸೇರಿದ್ದೇವೆ. ತಮಗೆಲ್ಲರಿಗೂ ತಿಳಿದ ಹಾಗೆ ಹಾಕಿ ಲೆಜೆಂಡ್ ಧ್ಯಾನ್ ಚಂದ್ ಅವರ ಹುಟ್ಟುಹಬ್ಬವನ್ನು ರಾಷ್ಟ್ರೀಯ ಕ್ರೀಡಾ ದಿನವನ್ನಾಗಿ ಆಚರಿಸುತ್ತೇವೆ. ಈ ಸಂದರ್ಭದಲ್ಲಿ ಸೇರಿದ ತಮಗೆಲ್ಲರಿಗೂ ರಾಷ್ಟ್ರೀಯ ಕ್ರೀಡಾ ದಿನದ ಶುಭಾಶಯಗಳು. ಇದರೊಂದಿಗೆ ನಮ್ಮ ದೇಶಕ್ಕೆ ಸ್ವಾತಂತ್ರ್ಯೋತ್ಸವ ಅಮೃತ ಮಹೋತ್ಸವದ ಸಂಭ್ರಮ ಮಾತ್ರವಲ್ಲ, ಟೋಕಿಯೋ ಒಲಿಂಪಿಕ್ಸ್ ನಲ್ಲಿ ಮುಡಿಗೇರಿಸಿಕೊಂಡ 7 ಪದಕಗಳು, ಅದರಲ್ಲೂ ಇತಿಹಾಸದಲ್ಲೇ ಮೊದಲನೆಯ ಬಾರಿಗೆ ಅಥ್ಲೆಟಿಕ್ಸ್ ನಲ್ಲಿ ಬಂಗಾರದ ಬೇಟೆ. ಹೀಗೆ ನಮ್ಮ ಮಾತೃಭೂಮಿಯು ಹೆಗ್ಗಳಿಕೆಗೆ ಪಾತ್ರವಾಗಿದೆ. ಈ ಸಂತೋಷದ ಸಂದರ್ಭದಲ್ಲಿ ಪದಕ ಪಡೆದು ನಮ್ಮ ದೇಶವನ್ನು ವಿಶ್ವ ಮಟ್ಟದಲ್ಲಿ ಪ್ರತಿನಿಧಿಸಿದ ಪ್ರತಿಯೊಬ್ಬ ಕ್ರೀಡಾಪಟುವಿಗೂ ಅದರ ತರಬೇತುದಾರರಿಗೂ ಹಾಗೂ ಅವರಿಗೆ ಪರೋಕ್ಷವಾಗಿ ಸಹಕರಿಸಿದ ಎಲ್ಲರಿಗೂ ರಾಷ್ಟ್ರೀಯ ಕ್ರೀಡಾ ದಿನದ ಶುಭಾಶಯಗಳೊಂದಿಗೆ ಹೃದಯಪೂರ್ವಕ ಅಭಿನಂದನೆಗಳನ್ನು ಸಲ್ಲಿಸಲು ಬಯಸುತ್ತೇನೆ. ಬಹುಶಃ ಇಂದು ಕ್ರೀಡಾಪಟುಗಳನ್ನು ಗುರುತಿಸುವ ದಿನ ಎಂದರೆ ತಪ್ಪಾಗಲಾರದು ಎಂಬುದು ನನ್ನ ಭಾವನೆ. ಏಕೆಂದರೆ ಜಿಲ್ಲೆ, ರಾಜ್ಯ, ರಾಷ್ಟ್ರ ಮಟ್ಟಗಳಲ್ಲಿ ಪ್ರತಿಷ್ಠಿತ ಕ್ರೀಡಾ ಪ್ರಶಸ್ತಿ ಪ್ರದಾನ ಮಾಡಲಾಗುತ್ತದೆ. ಅದು ತಮಗೆಲ್ಲರಿಗೂ ತಿಳಿದ ವಿಚಾರ. ಇನ್ನು ಕ್ರೀಡೆಯಲ್ಲಿ ತಮ್ಮನ್ನು ತಾವು ತೊಡಗಿಸಿಕೊಂಡರೆ ಖಂಡಿತ ಅದು ನಮ್ಮ ಜೀವನಕ್ಕೆ ಒಂದಲ್ಲ ಒಂದು ರೀತಿಯಲ್ಲಿ ದಾರಿದೀಪವಾಗುತ್ತದೆ. ಅಷ್ಟೇ ಅಲ್ಲ, ಸಮಾಜದಲ್ಲಿ ಗೌರವಕ್ಕೆ ಪಾತ್ರರಾಗುತ್ತೇವೆ. ಉದಾಹರಣೆಗೆ, ನಾನು ಬಂಟರ ಸಂಘದ ಸದಸ್ಯ, ಈ ಸಂಸ್ಥೆಯ ಒಬ್ಬ ಪೋಷಕ. ಆದರೆ ಇಂದು ನೀವು ನನ್ನನ್ನು ಈ ವೇದಿಕೆಗೆ ಆಹ್ವಾನಿಸಿದೆ ಯಾಕಂದ್ರೆ ನಾನು ಒಬ್ಬ ಕ್ರೀಡಾಪಟು ಎಂದು ಗುರುತಿಸಿಕೊಂಡಿರುವ ಕಾರಣದಿಂದಾಗಿ. ನಾನು ತಮಗೆ ತಿಳಿಯ ಬಯಸುವುದೇನೆಂದರೆ, ಕ್ರೀಡೆಯನ್ನು ಜೀವನದ ಅವಿಭಾಜ್ಯ ಅಂಗವಾಗಿ ರೂಪಿಸಿಕೊಳ್ಳಬೇಕು ಹಾಗೂ ಅದು ಅನಿವಾರ್ಯವೂ ಹೌದು. ಯಾಕೆಂದರೆ ಆರೋಗ್ಯವೇ ಸಂಪತ್ತು, ಆದರೆ ಸಂಪತ್ತು ಆರೋಗ್ಯವೆಂದೆನಿಸುವುದಿಲ್ಲ. ಇದಕ್ಕೆ ಸಾಕಷ್ಟು ನಿದರ್ಶನಗಳನ್ನು ಕೊಡಬಹುದು. ಸಾಂಕ್ರಾಮಿಕ ರೋಗದ ಈ ಅವಧಿಯಲ್ಲಿಯೂ ನೋಡಿದ್ದೇವೆ. ಆದ್ದರಿಂದ ಪ್ರತಿಯೊಬ್ಬರು ಒಂದಲ್ಲ ಒಂದು ಕ್ರೀಡಾ ಚಟುವಟಿಕೆಗಳಲ್ಲಿ ತಮ್ಮನ್ನು ತಾವು ತೊಡಗಿಸಿಕೊಂಡರೆ ಒಳಿತು ಎಂದು ಹೇಳಲು ಬಯಸುತ್ತೇನೆ. ಇನ್ನು ಬಣ್ ಸಂಘ ವಿದ್ಯಾಸಂಸ್ಥೆಯಲ್ಲಿ ಪಠ್ಯದ ಜೊತೆಗೆ ಹಲವಾರು ಪಠ್ಯೇತರ ಚಟುವಟಿಕೆಗಳು ನಡೆಯುತ್ತಿರುವುದನ್ನು ತುಂಬಾ ಹತ್ತಿರದಿಂದ ನೋಡಿದ್ದೇನೆ. ಮುಖ್ಯವಾಗಿ ಕ್ರೀಡೆಯಲ್ಲಿ ರಾಜ್ಯ ಮತ್ತು ರಾಷ್ಟ್ರ ಮಟ್ಟದಲ್ಲಿ ಪದಕ ಗಳಿಸುವುದನ್ನು ಕೇಳಿ ನನಗೆ ಬಹಳ ಸಂತೋಷವಾಯಿತು. ಅದರಲ್ಲೂ ಪಾವನ ನಾಗರಾಜರಂತಹ ವಿದ್ಯಾರ್ಥಿನಿ ಸಬ್ ಜೂನಿಯರ್ ಹೈ ಜಂಪ್ ನಲ್ಲಿ ರಾಷ್ಟ್ರೀಯ ದಾಖಲೆ ಸೃಷ್ಟಿಸುವುದನ್ನು ಕೇಳಿ ತುಂಬಾ ಸಂತೋಷಗೊಂಡೆ. ಅವರೆಲ್ಲರ ಕ್ರೀಡಾ ಜೀವನದ ಪಯಣಕ್ಕೆ ದೇವರ ಆಶೀರ್ವಾದ ಸದಾ ಇರಲಿ ಎಂದು ಹಾರೈಸುತ್ತೇನೆ. ಇನ್ನೊಂದು ಮುಖ್ಯವಾದ ವಿಚಾರವೇನೆಂದರೆ, ಕ್ರೀಡೆಯಲ್ಲಿ ಪದಕ ಪಡೆದ ನಂತರ ಸಿಗುವ ಸನ್ಮಾನ ಸವಲತ್ತುಗಳ ಜೊತೆಗೆ ಅದಕ್ಕೆ ತಯಾರಿ ನಡೆಸುವ ಸಮಯದಲ್ಲಿ ಸಿಗುವ ಸೌಲಭ್ಯಗಳ ಅವಶ್ಯಕತೆ ಕೂಡ ತುಂಬಾ ಮುಖ್ಯ. ಅದು ನಮ್ಮ ವಿದ್ಯಾಸಂಸ್ಥೆಯಲ್ಲಿ ಸದಾ ನಡೆಯುತ್ತಿರುವುದು ತುಂಬಾ ಸಂತೋಷದ ವಿಷಯ. ಈ ಸಂದರ್ಭದಲ್ಲಿ ಬಂಟರ ಸಂಘದ ವಿದ್ಯಾಸಂಸ್ಥೆಯ ಆಡಳಿತ ಮಂಡಳಿಯನ್ನು ಅಭಿನಂದಿಸುತ್ತೇನೆ. ಮಾತ್ರವಲ್ಲ, ತಮ್ಮಲ್ಲಿ ಉತ್ತಮ ದೈಹಿಕ ಶಿಕ್ಷಕ ವರ್ಗವಿದೆ. ಅವರ ತರಬೇತಿಯನ್ನು ಸದ್ಬಳಕೆ ಮಾಡಿಕೊಳ್ಳುವಂತೆ ಮಕ್ಕಳಿಗೆ ತಿಳಿಸುತ್ತಿದ್ದೇನೆ. ಎಲ್ಲ ಮಕ್ಕಳು, ಪೋಷಕರ ನೆರವು, ಆಡಳಿತ ಮಂಡಳಿ ಮತ್ತು ಶಿಕ್ಷಕ ವರ್ಗದವರ ಪ್ರೋತ್ಸಾಹ, ದೈಹಿಕ ಶಿಕ್ಷಕರ ಸಾಮರ್ಥ್ಯ, ಅವರ ಪ್ರತಿಭೆಯನ್ನು ಸದುಪಡಿಸಿಕೊಳ್ಳಲು ಹಾಗೂ ಪ್ರತಿಯೊಬ್ಬರು ಒಂದಲ್ಲ ಒಂದು ಕ್ರೀಡೆಯಲ್ಲಿ ತಮ್ಮನ್ನು ತೊಡಗಿಸಿಕೊಳ್ಳುವುದರ ಮೂಲಕ ದುಶ್ಚಟಗಳಿಗೆ ಬಲಿಯಾಗದೆ ಸದ್ಗುಣಿಗಳಾಗಿ ಸದೃಢ ದೇಹ, ಸದೃಢ ಮನಸ್ಸು ಹೊಂದುವಂತಾಗಿ ಎಂದು ಹಾರೈಸುತ್ತಾ, ಸಮಯ ಸಿಕ್ಕಾಗ ತಮ್ಮೊಂದಿಗೆ ಇರಲು ಪ್ರಯತ್ನ ಮಾಡುತ್ತೇನೆ ಎಂದು ಹೇಳುತ್ತಾ, ಈ ಸಂದರ್ಭದಲ್ಲಿ ನನಗೆ ಮಾತನಾಡಲು ಅವಕಾಶ ನೀಡಿದ ಬಣ್ ಸಂಘದ ವಿದ್ಯಾಸಂಸ್ಥೆಯ ಆಡಳಿತ ಮಂಡಳಿ ಮತ್ತು ಎಲ್ಲರಿಗೂ ಕೃತಜ್ಞತೆಗಳು. ನಮಸ್ಕಾರ. ಥ್ಯಾಂಕ್ ಯು.
Thank you, sir, for your inspiring words. Now we have words of encouragement and solacement by our multi-talented chief guest, Ms. Pavitra Chandra, who is a former international basketball player and prestigious recipient of Ekalavya and Kempe Gowda awardee.
A very good morning to all of you. It's indeed my pleasure to be with you all this morning to collectively celebrate the National Sports Day and to commemorate the birth anniversary of the legendary hockey player Major Dhyan Chand, who also got us 3 Olympic gold medals during his tenure. And what an honor to be celebrating his birthday as a National Sports Day of India. Having said that, kids, I'm uncertain how many of you all are actively participating in sports or use sport as a lifestyle, but nonetheless I would like to emphasize during this time with you that the reason I believe that sports is a very integral part is not just because of the health benefits. Apart from that, the simple things are the moment you decide to become an athlete or take sports as a lifestyle or within your activity, the first thing that comes into place is the discipline. You're getting up on time, making your bed, and every day showing up for training and practice irrespective of how you feel. And that sets the perfect tone for the rest of your life. And once you get and there are many attributes like developing your communication skills once you get into talking with your coaches, and making great friends with your teammates, and traveling, experiencing different cultures, meeting opponents, fighting with them, jealousy, anger. You'll experience and develop all these emotions and the fighting spirit, and also at a time where you learn to respect your opponents also, and also rediscover the talent and the potential you have, which you yourself wouldn't have known otherwise. So sports is a tool and it is a platform that can expose you to a lot of things which not only help in your development as an individual, but also way beyond you've left the court or the play field. You will carry it to your grave. And that's why I believe sports is very important, because gone are the days where people would hire based on your academic credentials alone. Today people want to see your caliber of communication, your confidence, your ability to resolve an issue, coming with a solution-centric mind, and somebody who doesn't crack under pressure, someone who's able to find solution to issues, and a never give up attitude. And these are things you cannot order online. You have to develop them, and sports is a platform and a tool that will help you to develop this. Based on one of the surveys that was made in America, on the Fortune 500 companies, if two people had applied for the same positions, one has an academic credential, both having the same academic credential, but one having more coming as an athlete or a sports person, the records showed that the sports persons were getting more hired, for the simple reason the companies believed that the sports person always brought a hardworking capabilities. They show up, they are confident, they work hard, and most importantly, they don't give up upon any failure. If the company or organization fails, they will always find a way to bring it back up, because that's an attitude of an athlete. And I'm hoping that going forward, you kids too would consider taking sports into your life to develop these attributes and become an asset, not just to the nation, but to, your personal growth and benefit as well. Remember that a healthy body leads to a healthy mind, and that healthy mind leads to a healthy nation. So on that note, I wish you all the very best and a happy National Sports Day. Thank you.
Thank you, ma'am, for your encouraging words. Now we have words of encouragement by our Honorable Secretary and Convener, Sri Madhukar Shetty, sir.
ಎಲ್ರಿಗೂ ನಮಸ್ಕಾರ. ಪ್ರೀತಿಯ ಪ್ರಿನ್ಸಿಪಾಲ್ರೇ, ಹಾಗೆ ಉಪಪ್ರಾಂಶುಪಾಲರೇ, ನೆಚ್ಚಿನ ಎಲ್ಲ HODಗಳೇ, ಕೋಆರ್ಡಿನೇಟರ್ಸೇ, ಹಾಗೆ ನಮ್ಮ ಶಾಲೆಯ ಪ್ರೀತಿಯ ಅಧ್ಯಾಪಕಿಯರೇ, ತಮ್ಮೆಲ್ಲರಿಗೂ ಕೂಡ ರಾಷ್ಟ್ರೀಯ ಕ್ರೀಡಾ ದಿನಾಚರಣೆಯ ಶುಭಾಶಯಗಳು. ಬಂಟಸಂಘ RNS ವಿದ್ಯಾಸಂಸ್ಥೆ ಬರೀ ಪಾಠಕ್ಕೆ ಸೀಮಿತವಾಗಿರುತ್ತೆ. ಆಟೋಟಗಳಲ್ಲಿ ಭಾಗವಹಿಸುವಂತಹ ಮಕ್ಕಳಿಗೆ, ಸಾಂಸ್ಕೃತಿಕವಾಗಿ ಭಾಗವಹಿಸುವಂತಹ ಮಕ್ಕಳಿಗೆ, ಅಥವಾ ವಿವಿಧ ಪಠ್ಯೇತರ ಚಟುವಟಿಕೆಗಳಲ್ಲಿ ಭಾಗವಹಿಸುವಂತಹ ವಿದ್ಯಾರ್ಥಿಗಳಿಗೆ ಹೆಚ್ಚಿನ ಪ್ರೋತ್ಸಾಹವನ್ನು ಕೊಡುತ್ತಾ ಬಂದಿದೆ. ಆ ಪ್ರಕಾರದಲ್ಲಿ ನಮ್ಮ ಶಾಲೆಯ ವಿದ್ಯಾರ್ಥಿನಿಯರು ರಾಜ್ಯ ಮಟ್ಟ ಹಾಗೆ ರಾಷ್ಟ್ರ ಮಟ್ಟದಲ್ಲಿಯೂ ಕೂಡ ಹೆಚ್ಚಿನ ಗೌರವವನ್ನು, ಪ್ರಶಸ್ತಿಗಳನ್ನು ನಮ್ಮ ಶಾಲೆಗೆ ತಂದುಕೊಟ್ಟಿರುವಂತಹ ಉದಾಹರಣೆಗಳು ಉಂಟು. ಇದಕ್ಕೆ ಶ್ರಮಿಸಿದಂತಹ ಎಲ್ಲ ಕ್ರೀಡಾ ಅಧ್ಯಾಪಕರುಗಳು, ಅಧ್ಯಾಪಕಿಯರು, ಅವರ ಶ್ರಮವೂ ಕೂಡ ನಾವು ಇವತ್ತು ನೆನಪಿಸಲೇಬೇಕಾಗ್ತದೆ. ಹಾಗೆ ಪಾಠ ಅನ್ನುವಂಥದ್ದು ವೃತ್ತಿಯಾದರೆ ಆಟ ಪ್ರವೃತ್ತಿಯ ಕಡೆಗೆ ಮುಂದುವರಿಸ್ತದೆ. ಜೀವನದಲ್ಲಿ ವೃತ್ತಿ ಪ್ರವೃತ್ತಿಯು ಸೇರಿದಾಗ ಮಾತ್ರ ಆ ಜೀವನ ಸಾಫಲ್ಯತೆಯನ್ನು ತಂದುಕೊಳ್ತದೆ. ಹಾಗಾಗಿ ಮುಂದೆಯೂ ಕೂಡ ಇನ್ನಷ್ಟು ಹೆಚ್ಚಿನ ಚಟುವಟಿಕೆಗಳಲ್ಲಿ ಭಾಗವಹಿಸುವಂಥದ್ದು, ವಿವಿಧ ಕ್ಷೇತ್ರಗಳಲ್ಲಿ ಭಾಗವಹಿಸಿ ಶಾಲೆಗೆ ಹೆಚ್ಚಿನ ಗೌರವವನ್ನು ತಂದುಕೊಡುವ ನಿಟ್ಟಿನಲ್ಲಿ ತಾವೆಲ್ಲರೂ ಕೆಲಸವನ್ನು ಮಾಡ್ತಾ ಇದ್ದೀರಾ. ಇನ್ನಷ್ಟು ಕಾರ್ಯ, ಇನ್ನಷ್ಟು ಪ್ರಯತ್ನ, ಇನ್ನಷ್ಟು ಸಫಲತೆ ತಮ್ಮ ಕಡೆಯಿಂದ ಆಗಲಿ ಅಂಥೇಳಿ ತಮ್ಮೆಲ್ಲರಲ್ಲಿ ಇನ್ನೊಮ್ಮೆ ವಿನಂತಿಯನ್ನು ಮಾಡಿಕೊಳ್ತಾ, ತಮ್ಮ ಸಾಧನೆಗೆ ಖಂಡಿತವಾಗಿಯೂ ಕೂಡ ಬಂಟಸಂಘ ಆಡಳಿತ ಮಂಡಳಿ ಹಾಗೆಯೇ ಬಂಟಸಂಘ RNS ವಿದ್ಯಾನಿಕೇತನ ಸಂಸ್ಥೆ ಸದಾ ಋಣಿಯಾಗಿರ್ತದೆ. ನಿಮ್ಮ ಶ್ರಮ ಹೀಗೆ ಮುಂದುವರಿಯಲಿ ಅಂತ ಹೇಳ್ತಾ ತಮ್ಮೆಲ್ಲರಿಗೂ ಕೂಡ ಇನ್ನೊಮ್ಮೆ ರಾಷ್ಟ್ರೀಯ ಕ್ರೀಡಾ ದಿನಾಚರಣೆಯ ಶುಭಾಶಯಗಳನ್ನು ಸಲ್ಲಿಸ್ತಾ ವಂದನೆಗಳು.
Thank you, sir, for your inspiring words. Now we have words of support by our treasurer, Sri Deepak Shetty, sir.
Namaste and good morning to you all. Warm wishes to you all on National Sports Day. On National Sports Day, nation remembers hockey legend and Olympian Major Dhyan Chand on his 116th birth anniversary. Whatever we teach or learn in terms of academics, sports plays an important role in our life. We at RNS give utmost importance and special priority for sports and physical activities. Unfortunately, pandemic has put a brake on our sports activities, but I am hopeful we will get to see our students playing soon. Healthy mind will create better students, and healthy mind is created by healthy body, and that is possible only by sports activities. Also, I take this opportunity to acknowledge and appreciate all our physical education teachers for their dedication and sincerity. Thank you all and have a great day. Thank you.
Thank you, sir, for your supporting words. Now we have words of encouragement by our principal, Sri Yasudas L. Sir.
Hi everyone. It's my pleasure to wish all the sports person who contributed a great deal of joy to the nation and made the country so proud a very happy National Sports Day. And good luck for the one who set to reach a goal in sports. Good luck once again. Thank you.
Thank you, sir, for your inspiring words. Now we have words of encouragement, inspiration, and solacement by our Honorable President, Sri Upendra Shetty, sir.
ನಮ್ಮ ದೇಶ ಆಗಸ್ಟ್ 29ರಂದು ರಾಷ್ಟ್ರೀಯ ಕ್ರೀಡಾ ದಿನವನ್ನು ಆಚರಣೆ ಮಾಡ್ತಾ ಇದೆ. ಇದು ಮೇಜರ್ ಧ್ಯಾನ್ ಚಂದ್ ಅವರ ಹುಟ್ಟುಹಬ್ಬದ ಸವಿನೆನಪಿಗಾಗಿ ನಾವು ಈ ಕ್ರೀಡಾ ದಿನವನ್ನು ಆಚರಣೆ ಮಾಡ್ತಾ ಇದ್ದೇವೆ. ಧ್ಯಾನ್ ಚಂದ್ ಅವರು 1905 ಆಗಸ್ಟ್ 29ರಂದು ಉತ್ತರ ಪ್ರದೇಶದ ಅಲಹಾಬಾದ್ನಲ್ಲಿ ಜನಿಸಿದರು. ಇವರು ಭಾರತೀಯ ಆರ್ಮಿಯಲ್ಲಿ ಸೇರಿಸಿಕೊಳ್ಳೋದ್ರ ಮೂಲಕ ಮೇಜರ್ ಧ್ಯಾನ್ ಚಂದ್ ಆಗಿ ಪ್ರಖ್ಯಾತಗೊಳ್ತಾರೆ. 1928, 32, 36ರಲ್ಲಿ ಭಾರತಕ್ಕೆ ಹಾಕಿ ಪ್ರಶಸ್ತಿಯನ್ನು ಅಂತಾರಾಷ್ಟ್ರೀಯ ಮಟ್ಟದಲ್ಲಿ ಒಲಿಂಪಿಕ್ನಲ್ಲಿ ತಂದುಕೊಡೋದ್ರಲ್ಲಿ ಮೇಜರ್ ಧ್ಯಾನಚಂದ್ರ ಮುಖ್ಯ ಪಾತ್ರ ವಹಿಸ್ತಾರೆ. ಈ ಮೇಜರ್ ಧ್ಯಾನ್ ಚಂದ್ ಅವರ ಸವಿನೆನಪಿಗಾಗಿ ನಾವು ರಾಷ್ಟ್ರೀಯ ಕ್ರೀಡಾ ದಿನವನ್ನು ಆಚರಣೆ ಮಾಡ್ತಾ ಇದ್ದೇವೆ. ಈ ರಾಷ್ಟ್ರೀಯ ಕ್ರೀಡಾ ದಿನವನ್ನು ಇಂದು ನಮ್ಮ RNS ವಿದ್ಯಾನಿಕೇತನ್ ಬಣ್ಸಂಗ ಬೆಂಗಳೂರು ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಕೂಡ ಇವತ್ತು ನಾವು ಸ್ಪೋರ್ಟ್ಸ್ ಡೇಯನ್ನು ಆಚರಣೆ ಮಾಡ್ತಾ ಇದ್ದೇವೆ ಅವರ ಹೆಸರಿನಲ್ಲಿ. ಈ ಕ್ರೀಡೆ ನಮಗೆ ಹೆಚ್ಚಿನ ಕ್ರೀಡಾಳುಗಳನ್ನು ಸೃಷ್ಟಿ ಮಾಡಲಿ, ಭಾರತ ಮುಂದಿನ ಒಲಿಂಪಿಕ್ಗಳಲ್ಲಿ ಹೆಚ್ಚು ಹೆಚ್ಚು ಪ್ರಶಸ್ತಿಗಳನ್ನು ಪದಕಗಳನ್ನು ಗೆಲ್ಲುವಂತಾಗಲಿ, ನಮ್ಮ ದೇಶದಿಂದ ಅತಿ ಹೆಚ್ಚು ಜನ ಕ್ರೀಡಾಳುಗಳು ಹೊರಹೊಮ್ಮಲಿ ಅಂತ ಈ ರಾಷ್ಟ್ರೀಯ ಕ್ರೀಡಾ ದಿನದಂದು ನಾನು ಎಲ್ಲರಿಗೆ ಶುಭ ಕೋರ್ತೇನೆ.
Thank you, sir, for your inspiring words. As we express our gratitude, we must never forget that the highest appreciation is not to utter words, but to live them. I would warmly welcome Vishal R. from 2nd PU's Commerce Stream, who has an excellence in volleyball and athletic shot put, to deliver her vote of thanks.
Your dreams are about defining virtuality. They have the power to give you wings and make you fly high. CSP Sindhu, an Indian badminton player, Arjuna Mori, also brought bronze medals in the Olympics held in Tokyo 2021. A very inspiring day to one all present here, as Risha Rai, our 2nd PU's Commerce team, here to render the vote of thanks. Sports plays a very important role in our life. It is said that education isn't complete without sports. Sports helps us in overall development of children. Participation in sports keeps us physically active and hence away from many diseases. It helps us stay fit and healthy. My heartfelt gratitude to our beloved chairman and president of Bansanga, Sri Upendra Shetty, who is always encouraging us in all our activities. My heartfelt gratitude to our honorary secretary, convener and secretary of Bansanga, Sri Madhukar Shetty, who is always supportive. I would like to thank the treasurer of Bansanga, Sri Deepak Shetty, for cheering us during our activities. I also thank executive committee members and office bearers. I would also like to thank Sri Prashant Rai, Indian kabaddi player, for gracing this occasion. I would also like to thank Ms. Pavitra Chandra, former international basketball player, also Eklavya awardee, for inspiring us by your presence. I would also like to express my sincere thanks to our principal, Sri Yasudas L, to conduct this program on a virtual platform. our beloved Vice Principal, Srimati Anjanaya, who always encourages us in all our endeavors, headmisters, coordinators, HODs of various departments, faculty members, admin staff, teachers, and not to forget the physical education teachers, parents and fellow students. And special thanks to our system admin, Deepak Shankar sir, for making this virtual celebration possible and come alive from the comfort of our homes. Thank you sir for your everlasting support. Last but not the least, I would like to thank all my teachers and my friends who have worked hard to make this virtual platform come alive. Thank you everyone. Have a wonderful day.
Thank you, Trisha, for your special words. Thank you everyone for joining us on this celebration. Have a nice day.